We got new AOC 32-inch monitor in our office, and it has really shown what you can get for today's price in monitor world. AOC has packed a lot in its new 32-inch monitor. For start, you will get pretty rich box with lots of cables, great stand, instructions for easy installation, and everything you need to get your monitor up and running in a few minutes. AOC has used VA panel, which even though is worse than IPS, it is a great option if you are trying to sell your monitor on a budget. Besides very good panel which comes calibrated out of the factory, it has support for 10-bit colors, lots of inputs, and great ergonomic functions. Monitor is targeted towards content creators, so if you're an amateur or professional on a budget, this monitor might be a very good choice for you. Large 32-inch panel, 4K resolution, 10-bit colors, and great RGB spectrum might be everything you need for those days you spend on Photoshop or Premiere. Of course, because of relatively good response times and very good colors, we wouldn't rule out this monitor for gaming. The only games you really shouldn't be playing are competitive esport titles. For those kinds of titles, you really should be looking for something with much higher refresh rate.